everybody. Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. And today I have a ThredUP Coach bag unboxing haul for you guys. So as many of you are probably familiar with ThredUP, it is a place where you can send in items in consignment. You can just send it in, and sometimes you can get a small payout, sometimes you can get a bigger payout, just depending. But I personally have stopped selling on ThredUP due to the payout structure that happened more recently, last few months. But I do still like to shop on there once in a while, and if you're not familiar, they do have rescue boxes that they put up every once in a while, and I happened to snag a Coach rescue bag purse box. It was five pieces for $90. I do believe they did charge shipping. I can't remember. Maybe shipping is free after a certain amount. But I think I had points because I had sent in several bags for clear out bags. I had several points stacked up from that. So I used that, I think, for my shipping. My shipping cost, I'm pretty sure. So it was just a little over $90 because I did have to pay tax. But I did get 5 Coach purses. I have not opened them up yet, but this is the box. This is the box. And so I'm just gonna open it and I'll show you how they packaged it, and then I'll show you each piece. So I'm pretty excited because I've never been able to get one of these boxes. And so once I found out that they were available, I was like, oh, I gotta get one. And I was excited. I honestly am not super into Coach purses. I don't think they sell real great, but I really wanted to do this as an experiment. So if you divide $90 by 5, it is like, I think I came up with like $18 or something like that. I didn't look. Okay, so when you open it up, they have it right there. This is probably the invoice. Yes. Mixed rescue box Coach handbag. So this is a rescue box, so these items could be in really excellent condition or they could have flaws. Sometimes they don't have flaws or much of anything. I'm really excited. I personally I do like Coach for myself, but I don't pay up for it. I've never paid full price for Coach. But I don't think that they sell as great as they used to. I've seen people make a really good profit on ThredUP actually on items, but you know, once they're accepted and if they don't sell within that certain window of time, then if you don't reclaim it, then they get to keep it. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, when I open it up, you can see they kind of just have them right on top of each other. First one seems to be a taupe creamy bag. And there are some flaws I see on the back. This is a leather Coach. It's authentic for sure. I do know authentic Coach. This is the back. You can see that there are some marks here and here. Probably won't be able to get that off, and then there's something there. But honestly, it's on the back of the bag, and the front looks really nice. There's a couple little marks like someone put it on the floor, but honestly I don't think it's bad, and I really like this purse myself. I might use it. I might use that. I really like leather bags, and I'm really into the shoulder right now. So one thing I was a little concerned about getting this box in particular is that because it's a purse lot, I was a little worried that I would get, that's weird. Is that normal? Maybe it is. I was a little worried that I would get small things. This is not worth $18 to me. I don't know if I could sell it for $18, maybe. Oh, okay, so it must go like that. Kind of a weird. This is just a little clutch wristlet. I like it actually. I might use it for myself. I can tell it's authentic. I've seen a lot of Coach. I've had fake Coach. I remember when I was in college, I think I bought a fake Coach from someone on Poshmark. I didn't know nothing back then. That was like 2006 or something, 2007. That's a long time ago, 15 years ago. But yeah, it's cute. Definitely authentic. You know, some of these, this is definitely an older style. The only thing here is there is some of the fabric is kind of messed up right there, but I don't think that's a big deal. It's not the front either. This is a style I actually, I'm kind of glad I got, because this reminds me a lot of Coach Poppy. I don't know if they consider this Poppy. I don't think they do, but okay, so this is a crossbody plus shoulder bag, so you can wear it either way. I do know it's authentic. It looks to be in really excellent condition. Okay, so let me talk about this for a second, because if you watch my videos, I'm very into Y2K. Now, I will have to look and see what year this bag was actually made. I might be able to find it out. I probably can find it out if I look up the number in the inside. But if this reminds me of Poppy, and Poppy was a Y2K style. The Coach Poppy stuff was really popular in the Y2K era. I remember people I knew had it. I remember I thought it was cool. I wanted to have it. I never bought it. Did I ever buy one? Maybe I got one once, but it was like used, you know. If this is from the 2000 era, like the early 2000s, I'm gonna put Y2K Coach. That's what I'm gonna put. And you guys, it'll probably fly. Y2K Coach. And I'll probably photograph it without the strap, but with the strap in a picture with it, so they know. But this small purse, like on the arm thing, is very Y2K, and this is really in right now. So I'm actually kind of excited about that. I don't think I'm gonna get a ton. I'll probably make a little bit. Here's a leather crossbody. This is cute. It's nice, and it's got a tiny little bit of wear. It's leather. Inside's got some staining, but that's okay. It's like a camel. It's simple. So I think minimalist I could put in the listing. Definitely authentic. Okay, I only got one more. I wish I would have got more than this. I wish they would have had a bigger bag. Okay, so right away when I open it up, I see some flaws, and I'm a little disappointed. This I don't think is probably sellable, but maybe I'll just use it. I don't think this is sellable. So it's actually a really beautiful leather purse, but if you look close, you don't have to look close for that, but there is a white mark there, white mark here. I can get something. I get a Kleenex. I don't want to touch my finger. I might be able to use a leather conditioner to help this. I don't know. That looks like that came out. That looks like that came out, but this one doesn't want to come out. Sorry guys, I'm spitting on camera. I'm gonna see if it would come out with just water. That doesn't seem to want to come out. The other one seemed to get lighter. Okay, so it's quite a few marks. Someone obviously used this a lot. They loved it. And then that's the back. I really like the style. It's cute. Unfortunately, I really don't think it's probably sellable, because if you look close, there is a circular mark. Can you see it? And it looks like it goes around. I don't know how that would be made. Someone put something circular, and there's quite a few marks here. So, you know, could I sell it for 10 bucks? Maybe 10 bucks. It's a very pretty bag. You know, the back actually looks better than the front. So, I mean, you could carry it like that, you know, like to the side. Tripping on myself. Maybe I'll use it. You know, maybe I'll use it. So, honestly, this bag was pretty good. This is the only piece that I feel is sad. I don't know. Could I dye this? I don't know if I could. Maybe I could. I know you can dye leather. I've never tried it, but maybe I could dye it. I don't know if it's worth it. But So let's go again. So this coral bag with marks, that's the worst item, I would say. This is in excellent condition. It's really nice. I had to look up and see what these go for. It does have marks on the inside, but the outside is really nice. This is really nice, which I don't think I looked on the inside. Wouldn't that be funny? Oh, I did, I guess. There's some marks on the inside, but it's not bad. It would be cool if there's like money or something. Okay. This little wristlet, and then this purse, which I might use myself. Might use that myself. It's cute. I like it. It's not bad. I honestly am not too worried about that because it's on the back. If it was on the front, I'd be more sad, but I think since it's on the back, it would be okay. So overall, I'm happy with this bag, or this box that I got. I'm excited about selling a couple of the pieces because I think that they might do well. I don't know if I'll make my money back, but I'm sure you'll see some type of update video where I talk about what exactly happened with it. The one item I'm the most excited about selling is this, because like I said, Y2K is really in right now. I had previously done a video, if you're interested to know about what Y2K style is, what items would be considered Y2K. I was a teenager in early college I was a teenager in the early 2000s, and I graduated high school in 2005. So that was my era. That's for sure my era. I knew the fashions, everything. And I've always loved fashion. So, this one, I don't know. I would hope, there's some wear on the metal, but overall it's in really good condition. That might come off. I don't know what that is. I guess I'll have to, maybe it's because it's really cold. I don't know. I think this will do the best, and I'll probably list it high and then take offer. So yeah, I think this is my favorite piece because I think it's probably going to be a good seller because of the Y2K era. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, let me know if you've gotten the rescue boxes before, what you've gotten, if you had good luck. I know it's really hit or miss. I really got this box because I really wanted to try it. I like kind of the mystery of it, and I personally myself like Coach, so I figured if there was a few items that maybe I couldn't sell, I could probably still use myself, so we'll see. Overall, I am happy with the pieces I got. I think that it was a pretty decent variety. Having, a couple pieces that were in really, really great condition and then a couple that weren't in great condition, but there's probably only maybe one not sellable item, possibly. I might try to still sell it. It probably won't sell for a lot, though. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from my channel. If you have a channel and you're new to reselling, I would love to see what kind of content you guys are putting out. Please also let me know in the comment section if there's types of videos that you're interested in seeing. I've had my channel for quite a while, and I'm still a pretty small channel, but I really do need some ideas on videos because I feel like I'm putting out a lot of the same content, like this is what I'm picking up, these are hauls, this kind of stuff, which is one reason why I picked up this ThredUP box, because I want to have more variety in the content that I provide for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!